Okay, we're gonna let it rip. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. It's a little something different. I'm gonna do an unboxing video of the Jeffree Star Blood Money Green Chrome hand mirror. I received this in the mail yesterday. I ordered it a few weeks ago. Took a little longer than expected, but it's almost the holiday season, and you can't be a bitch about shipping during the coronavirus. So, full disclosure, I straight up unboxed this last night already, so it's kind of a mess. But it came in this really cool, sort of like mint, or like the Riddler. Who's the guy with the question mark suit in a movie? Could be Batman. There's tape that has like the Jeffree Star logo, which is nice. It's cool to go downstairs and like see this sitting outside. It's like, okay, I know what this is. There's even more surprising details inside. You see Jeffree Star's face printed on a $100 bill. And it's also, okay, it came with a lot of tissue paper that I don't remember how it was wrapped up. So I was hitting the wine last night. So now I have all this tissue paper. Do you like, is there like an ASMR element to this? So yeah, I have like 4 sheets of this now. I would hang it up in my room, but it seems kind of like a fire hazard. But maybe I'll make something out of it. I'll frame it. Maybe I can make like a dress out of it and wear it around the house. So yeah, here's the box. It's gonna be really hard to throw this away. I'm very like anti-packaging. I think it's a really big waste. It's just gonna go in a landfill or like end up on the side of the highway when I like throw it out my window when I'm moving in the car. But it really made for a nice experience. I was very excited. I've never bought anything from Jeffree Star. Probably won't ever again. It was very impulsive, but yeah, what was I saying? The experience opening all this stuff was very exciting. I haven't got anything so elaborate and cool in my life. So the fuck. Hold on. Okay, hold on. So this is the box that the mirror comes in. You can see a possum is broken into my apartment and torn into it already, but shit. It's about the size of like a MacBook. It's like the same size as my computer. In case you can't tell, but you open it up and there's a lot of padding, and this fucking paper keeps falling out. You get like a postcard size like print. The back just has like JeffreeStarCosmetics.com. This could go on the wall too, honestly. And you can see it's from the Blood Money photo shoot. Very nice, classy picture. And then the moment we've all been waiting for. Wow. There it is. You can see that the foam here has been precision cut to fit the mirror perfectly. So I'm going to take it out. Wow. Isn't it neat? It's a really beautiful color, honestly. It's not as heavy as I thought it was going to be. I remember the description on the website said something like, it's specifically weighted so that it won't hurt your wrist, alluding to the fact that it might be so heavy that like you're going to develop chronic pain. But very light. It's plastic. Ooh. Um, a lot of intricate detail you can see here. It says blood, money, and it's a nice size. It's about the size of a head. What do you think, Mr. Bear? I'm not really sure. There's a hole here. That's the McDonald's I was eating. I could hang it on the wall. I don't know if I want to look at it every day. It's a little demonic. That's nice. Is there any other surprises? Made in China. Jeffree's office is located in Calabasas. Didn't know that. This looks kind of cool. Can you see? Whoa. That's pretty much it for the unboxing. It's Thanksgiving Day. I'm a little bored. I just went through the McDonald's drive-thru. I got a double quarter pounder meal with a Coke and a 4-piece nugget with barbecue sauce. Feel like shit. But I knew I would, and it's actually fine. So, thanks for tuning in. And yeah, stay tuned for more. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye.